If you're looking to upgrade your heating or cooling equipment, it's always best to seek out expert advice to make sure that you select the right system for your home. Here at Reliance, we have a team of highly trained home comfort advisors who are committed to helping you find a solution that best meets your needs and keeps your home warm in the winter and cool during the summer. During an in-home visit, the advisor will start by asking questions to understand things like the age of your home and the location of any hot or cold spots. The advisor will also inquire about any other issues you may be experiencing with your current equipment. In the assessment, the advisor will also take a look at your system and assess the age of your equipment and parts such as the humidifier and filter. The advisor will then take you through an interactive evaluation of your needs. All Reliance advisors have access to our digital needs assessment tool, which allows us to walk you through the different elements you should consider when choosing a heating or cooling system. Depending on your home and your individual needs, our advisor may measure your windows, doors, and the size of your home as part of a heat loss analysis. Your Reliance advisor will walk you through the features and benefits of different systems, as well as Reliance's comprehensive equipment and installation guarantees. We will also offer a range of payment options so you can select the one that is most suited to your family's budget and lifestyle. Once you've selected your installation date, our Home Comfort Advisor will send over any relevant information to our installers so that they come prepared to get the job done right. Thank you for choosing Reliance. We look forward to finding the right solution for you and your home. For all of your heating and cooling needs, call on Reliance.